In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate ongoing client projects on Behance. If you manage client work on Behance, there's a dedicated space that keeps everything organized: active jobs, proposals you've sent, and projects you've already wrapped up. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what each section means, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Behance in your browser. From the main navigation, click Client Work. On some layouts, this appears under your profile or freelance tools, but it's the same destination. Clicking it takes you straight to the client area, which acts as your dashboard for client engagements. This space collects the essentials you need when you're hired for a project, including the brief, timelines, and any client communication tied to the job. Once you're in the client area, scroll down the page to see the most important sections. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the core structure remains consistent. If you're browsing on a phone or tablet, the same sections stack vertically, so keep scrolling until you see each one. At the top of your working list is the In Progress section. This is where your ongoing client projects live. Use it to confirm what's currently active, check recent activity, and quickly open a project to review notes or deliverables. If you're juggling multiple clients, this section is your daily snapshot. Scan it first to prioritize deadlines and make sure you're on track. Open items often surface near the top, so review requirements and milestones here before you dive into production. Below that, you'll find pending proposals. These are opportunities you've responded to that are awaiting a client's decision. Keep an eye on this area to gauge momentum and plan your pipeline. It's helpful to glance at timestamps or last activity so you can follow up professionally when appropriate and keep your availability aligned with potential start dates. Finally, there's the Completed section. This is the archive of work that's finished. It's handy for reference when preparing invoices, updating your portfolio, or pulling details for case studies. Treat it as your historical record. If you ever need to verify scope, timelines, or outcomes, this is the first place to look. Keeping this history handy also makes it easier to share outcomes with future clients and provide proof of delivery if needed. And that's the tour. Go to Behance, click Client Work, enter the client area, and scroll to view In Progress, Pending Proposals, and Completed. With these sections in mind, you can quickly locate ongoing projects, track what's pending, and revisit completed work with confidence. For faster access, consider bookmarking the client area so it's the first page you open when starting your day. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.